Hello, today we are going to discuss gravitation topic. Okay, gravitation. In this one, let's see Newton law of gravitation. Okay, for this purpose, imagine in space we have a body. Okay, a huge body is there. Okay, of mass m1. Okay, a huge body is there, mass m1, and from here away, far away, another body is there. Okay, this body is a spherical body. Okay, and this body is also spherical body. I am saying this mass is m2. Mass is m2. Okay, now where is the center? This is the center for this body, and this is the center for this body. Okay, the distance, okay, from center I am taking as r. Okay, distance between two centers. Okay, these two centers I am taking. What are m and m2? m and m2 are masses. Okay, now there is a force between these two. Okay, the force is proportional to product of the masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Okay, so now I am writing the force. Okay, let's see. So the force is proportional to product of the masses. Okay, and the force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Distance is r. Okay, now this force combinedly, if I want to write, I can write as m1 m2 by r square. Okay, I want to remove the proportionality constant, so this is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. Okay, this is the formula for the force. And remember, this force will say central force. Central force, because in space I am taking the distance from center to center. Okay, masses are there, so this is the formula. Okay, now the G is constant. G is constant, so G is called universal gravitation constant. Okay, universal gravitation constant. Now its value is, G is equal to, a fixed value is there. Okay, the value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. Okay, now these two bodies are there in the space. This body attracts this body and this body attracts this body. Okay, now so now I want force on this body. Okay, force on this body is given by force on first body due to second body. Okay, here force on second body due to first body. This direction will be like this. Okay, now I am to write separately what is this. Okay, now suppose I am writing force on this one. Force on first body due to second body is G m1 m2 by r square. Okay, now I want this one also. Force on second body is given by first and second, so G m2 m1 by r square. Now see here, this force direction is this direction and the second force body direction is this direction, so opposite is there. So if I take this is positive, this will be negative. Okay, now if you see magnitude is same here, so I can write F12 is equal to minus F21. Okay, the force on first body due to second body is equal to minus of the force on second body due to first body. Okay, this is the thing, and this force, okay, is called central forces is there. Okay, and what we say is gravitational forces between these two. Okay, and we are taking it from the center. Okay, these forces, important point, these forces are attractive forces. attractive forces, and this is for huge bodies, heavy body. All right, heavy body, because it is valid for heavy bodies. If you see this value, it's very much less, 10 to the power of minus 11. So if I substitute here, I'll get very less value multiplied with some value. So this masses value should be very much high. Okay, so it is good for a huge bodies, okay, which are away from each other, more distance is there. So this is valid, and the forces are nothing but attractive forces. Okay, this is about gravitational. Okay, thank you, that's it.